Pedang kaching up kiseng bakantup be Khasi Students Union, Hinyau Tribe Youth Council, Riboy Youth Federation, Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People, Confederation of Riboy People, Hakastep Arfratrik Nailur Ajab Sao, Umroy Airport, Ban Pakhang Jingwanu Jagat Guru, Shankaracharya, Swami Avimukteshwar Anand, Saraswati, Ban Yalap Khen Kemiri India Kamasi, Superintendent of Police Riboy District, Uchakpal Singh Dhanwa, Ulaong Baki Borpia District, Kila Depa Jingtho Airport Authority of India, Banum Shahiyar Yuti Ubriu, Bala Banlong Kadao Kajingthot, Hak Shong Suk Shong Sain, Hak Jala. Habakran Shikilat Patai Kubor, Ding Jingkran Bat Kinongilam Seng, Kibalatur Shikani Chakasang at Lingsun, USP Ulaong Bayamanta, Kiborpia District Kidang Apktian Airport Authority of India. USP Ulaong Baladap Kranshai, but Num Shabun here, Balada Uyai the Kalina Surakte, Omla Bantim. Kuman Shukrau Bakachingwan to Nongilam Gati, Kunhunyam, Kalong Shibanta Kachingilap, Brokway India, Bankang Odo Masi, Namarki Kenya Kamasi, Kum Kubakantang, Bakaniching Yalap, Latip Kum Kaudhaj, Stapana Barat Yatra.
I was informed by my colleagues from Nagaland. I was also informed unconfirmed reports that he landed in Bengkulu Airport, Aizawl yesterday. So we're not sure about that. But he's supposed to come here yesterday. So today, we say, given the Passat decision, we will issue a press statement. So who knows, like tomorrow, but the government can assure us that they will not let step out.
Airport we can guarantee. Okay, he will not. By road, I cannot take guarantee, no.
Okay, we have seen.
You know, people have hidden chambers also.
So then you have to be vigilant only on the streets.
See, that is the tactical call you have to take. This much we can assure from even if they land here, though he is not getting permission to land here, but let us assume he lands here, we will ensure he doesn't come out of here. They have explicitly said he will not fly to Mirwal. But from Agartala, he may fly back to there is a possibility.
Then he will come.
He cannot come on the airport because his permission to land here has been denied. It is confirmed. His location presently is in Agartala. From this, our understanding is since he has not been, though we are also getting passenger manifest. Any passenger, for example, his chartered flight is not coming, what if he comes by a normal flight? So we have also written to airport authorities, they are giving us passenger manifest. We will, even if he comes by normal flight, we will not allow. So we need your cooperation. It shouldn't be. We are checking Barnihut also since morning.
We also have kept our own voice out there.
If you want to stay here, you can. Let us, because see, even we are also not fully, it is confirmed that he cannot land here. That much I can assure you. But what is his plan? We don't know.
Is there a possibility that he might come tomorrow?
Yes, 100%. But that is why for airport, this thing, we are taking passenger manifest till 2nd of October. Okay, so we because even we don't know. Even we don't want him here. See, it is puja time. We don't want him here. Even Central Puja Committee also, they have explicitly come out. So we can assure you that he cannot land here. But can I take risk of assuring can he not come by road? See, road to it's very this thing. All the flights landing, each and every passenger, they have to tell us before. So even our cry is, we don't want anybody to vitiate our state's environment.
So to sum up, it means that the government won't allow him, even if he gets permission to land here, he won't be able to leave the Shillong Airport.
No. Our administration as well as government is very clear, no such thing will be allowed. it is for his own safety also.
Yeah, that's
Administration is concerned, we have written to Airport Authority of India not to allow landing of person who can lead to potential law and order problem. As far as information as of now is concerned, even Agartala Airport, they have rescinded permission for him to fly out of Agartala to Umroi. But he may fly to Guwahati. And then whether he takes road route, we cannot comment on that. Yes, that is why we are here for, to ensure that law and order prevails and no such person who vitiates the environment is allowed. See, airport doesn't belong to the state government. There are separate rules within the airport, but outside the airport belongs to state government. So in that scenario, even if it were to happen, so we will ensure that the person is not allowed to come out of the airport.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.